Hello, this is Tom, and this is the consumer price index annual average. And first thing is I got the data and I have to convert it to range. Then I merge the territory and apply filter for the header. And the next is the conditional formatting. Here the rule that I use to highlight the outlier in the data. And next one is the formula for the standard deviation, and as well as the formula for the compound annual growth rate. I have set up the page that makes sure that it will bring well looking. So first thing is I set up the landscape orientation, and I also choose the fit all column in one page. You can see. Next thing is in the page layout that I do the page setup, header footer to custom my footer, use day and number page. I also use a page batch review to make sure that my row is on the same page, so I adjust it already. And also freeze the first row. And next one is the summary of CPI growth rate. In Canada, I use the data bar to highlight how each category increase or decrease over years, and also to highlight at which year they have rock up or decrease significantly. And this is the CPI of Canada sheet, and this sheet I calculate the mean and standard deviation. This is formula for the mean and standard deviation, same as last sheet. I also calculate the normal distribution by this formula. My first intention is to draw a distribution graph, but it turned out not very nothing like impressive on that, so I draw a chart that shows the change in some outlier such as clothing, gasoline, and energy. And this is an arrow bar that I use by apply the standard deviation in that, as well as in this clothing and footwear. Is a graph that shows change in by categories, and this gasoline chart across the Canada territories. So how fluctuate that it change over the years. And this is a pivot table with a slicer over here. And